Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can edit a video in Adobe Premiere Pro as an Instagram video size. I will also leave the related links in the description as well, so make sure to check that out. So let's get started. As you all know, Instagram doesn't allow a landscape videos. That is normally 1080 by 1920p, and mostly they are the vertical videos. And if you don't have vertical video recorded, let me show you how you can make the landscape video into an Instagram size. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to place the vertical video first on my timeline, and now I'm going to place this video here. Now you can see this video is in the landscape and it is not covering the upper and the lower part of the video. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select this video, go to the effects control. If you don't see this menu here, you can go to the Windows and select this effect control menu. Now by selecting this video, you can scale it, and there you go. Now you can adjust the position as well, so make sure that man is in the focus. And now you can play the video, and here you go. Now you can see the video is in vertical. Now you can post this video on Instagram without any limitations. So to export that video, just need to click on export, and here you need to go to the video and make sure that frame size is 1080 by 1920. I'm going to increase the frame rates, and I'm going to increase it to 30, and just click on export. And there you go. Now your video is ready for your Instagram. And by this method, you can create Instagram videos by using Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.